Hey, come back here! Ah! Good morning. Talk about weird climate change. It is raining in January in Montreal. Let me get that out of my face. It is raining in January in Montreal. But I know that tonight it's going to become freezing cold. I checked the weather. Ding! And I'm going to have to put up my windshield wipers so they don't freeze to the car tonight because I don't plan on taking the car at all. So let's do this. Can you believe it's raining? That is absolutely crazy. Raining in January. I want to show you how life teaches you ingenuity. You see this box? I was carrying this box in one arm and my umbrella in the other, and I thought, what a great idea, what a smart idea that would be to put the umbrella in the box right here, as you can see, and carry it that way, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. It's raining, so I'm trying to find a place to put my camera to be able to show you guys. So I'm shaking a little bit. So I made it inside the store, and I'm gonna try to show you this the right way, how to do this. If this can be helpful to anyone, I would love for it to work. All right. So we're gonna open our umbrella. We're gonna set it here. Got our box. Fit our umbrella in the box, like so. We're going to hold it down far enough so it latches onto our head. So this is how we got it, and I'm going to put the phone down soon, but we're going to get out of here through the automatic doors. So this, we're actually inside the mall still, but we're about to leave now. And this is how we have our box jerry-rigged with the umbrella to be able to get everything in my box. And I asked her not to give me a bag, but to give me a box. So now I'm not getting wet, my box ain't getting wet, and I just gotta watch out for traffic and be real careful crossing the street. Yeah, my hair might get messed up, but this is ingenuity, baby. Ingenuity. And you kind of got to watch where you're going. So yeah, this is how we jerry-rigged our system, and it's falling apart, so let me turn off the camera. We're already about a third of the way home, and we are going to make this. Even if it's shaking and rattling and rolling all the way home. I have the umbrella rested on my head, which helps me a lot actually. I can feel a little bit of pressure, no pain, but it helps me a lot to keep the equilibrium going. Let me diminish the luminosity here. I want some background. So this is how I look when I go walking down the street. Beautiful rain in the umbrella, and give a little bit of a beauty twirl there. That's what I look like. I took a couple of selfies just to show, and this is how it works. I got my umbrella here and all that stuff. Thanks for coming along with me. This is where it gets a little rougher. The wind is blowing on the umbrella right now, and it's not easy. I wasn't expecting this. In my very highly scientific calculations, I should have taken this into account. But we're almost home, and the umbrella's gonna go soon. All right, we're almost home. Let me see if I can get a better grip of the umbrella. Hey, come back here! Ah! Now let's see if we can set this back up.